Good job, Soul Sinner. Good job, Soul Sinner. All right. Yeah, passing out $2 bills. Wow, that's breaking in the dough, isn't it? Look at this. We barely have enough church. Hey, let's go ahead and give away money. That's brilliant. Good job, everybody. Okay. Don't have enough seats, but we got $2 bills, and we don't have many people. That's great. You guys are right on track with what the devil's doing here. This is good. I like what everybody's doing. George, how are you? Good to see you. Oh, y'all act like y'all haven't seen me in a while. That's okay. I've been here. You remember that one time when the air conditioner wasn't working? That was the devil. I've been here. I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. Baby, why y'all trying to keep getting me away? I'm here. And you know who else isn't here? People. And you know why people aren't here? Because I am. I'm in your minds. I'm telling you, hey, don't talk to people. Oh, they don't want to know about Jesus. Oh, they don't want to know about whatever. I'm saying all that stuff. I'm using you guys, and you're playing right into my hand. It's like I have 12 spades in my hand, and I'm just throwing them out. And I'm like, whoa, 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 $2 bill. That's what I do. I throw down $2 bills instead of whatever y'all are doing. That's good. Nice seats. This is a beautiful place. I love what you guys have done with it, which is not much. And that's okay, because you know what? The devil can be anywhere. And I'm here, I'm there. You know, you guys did a great job of scattering last week. Way to go. Whoa, everybody clap it up, $2 bills. It's fantastic. Next time you guys can hand out $3 bills. Maybe a Sacagawea. Is it Sacagawea week at Soul Center? Let's bring out the Sacagaweas. I love that lady. She was on the boat with all the guys. It's great. I love this place. This is fantastic. Keep doing good work. I'm still going to be here. If you guys get confused on what's going on, perfect. If you guys keep missing small groups, I love it. Whatever you're doing, keep on doing it. The devil's all about that business. I'm also about that money. So when you guys want to give away money next time, maybe look at me. You'll find me at like PlayStation 2 stores, or you might see me at your local barbershop. I'll be selling out DVDs and bootlegs. So, you know, holla at me. You know, we peeps. We cool, right? Angel, what's up? Okay. Yeah, anyway, I gotta go. It's been nice seeing everybody. One more thing. You guys are losers. This is $2 bills. Get out of here. Devil's out.